Hey space explorers! Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's really out there? Today, we are going on the biggest adventure ever, a rocket ride through our whole solar system. Buckle up tight, because we're about to zoom past 8 amazing planets, a giant fiery star, and maybe even a few surprises along the way. Ready? 3, 2, 1, blast off! Before we visit any planets, let's meet the boss of our solar system, the Sun. The Sun is a giant, glowing ball of hot gas. It's so big that 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Everything in our solar system, all the planets, moons, and even space rocks, travels around the Sun in a big circle. That circle is called an orbit. The Sun's gravity is like an invisible string, pulling everything gently around it. First stop, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet, and it's also the closest to the Sun. During the day it's super hot, but at night it gets freezing cold. Because Mercury has no blanket of air to keep the warmth in. Next up is Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Venus is wrapped in thick, swirly clouds, and it's actually the hottest planet in our whole solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Its clouds trap in all the heat like a too cozy, blanket. And now, our home. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and it's the only planet we know of with living things, plants, animals, and us. Earth has blue oceans, green land, and fluffy white clouds swirling all around it. Earth has a best friend that travels right along with it, the Moon. The Moon circles around Earth every single month. At night, the Moon reflects the Sun's light, which is why it glows so brightly in our sky. Next stop, Mars, the red planet. Mars gets its rusty red color from a special kind of dust covering its ground. Mars is also home to the tallest volcano and the biggest canyon in the whole solar system. Scientists have sent little robot rovers to explore Mars and search for clues about water and life. Maybe one day, you could be one of the astronauts who visits Mars for real. Between Mars and the next planet, there's a special space full of rocks called the asteroid belt. It's like a giant ring of floating space rocks, all different shapes and sizes, circling the Sun. Now things get really big. Say hello to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a giant ball of swirling gas, striped with orange, white, and brown bands, like a giant cosmic marble. Jupiter has a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. It's a swirling storm bigger than Earth itself, and it has been spinning for hundreds of years. Jupiter also has dozens of moons circling around it. Next is Saturn, the planet everyone recognizes because of its beautiful rings. Saturn's rings are made of billions of pieces of ice and rock, all sparkling as they circle around the planet. Saturn is so light that if you could find an ocean big enough, it would actually float on water. That's because Saturn is mostly made of gas, just like a giant beach ball full of air. Next we reach Uranus, a cool blue-green planet that spins on its side, almost like it's rolling around the Sun instead of spinning upright like the other planets. Uranus is covered in icy, chilly gases. Last of the big planets is Neptune. A deep, beautiful blue planet, and the windiest place in the whole solar system. Neptune's winds can blow faster than the fastest airplane on Earth. Way out past Neptune, there's a tiny icy world called Pluto. Pluto used to be called the 9th planet, but now scientists call it a dwarf planet because it's small and shares its space with lots of other icy objects out there. Wow, what a journey! Let's do a super quick recap. Our solar system has one giant sun, 8 amazing planets, moons, an asteroid belt, and even icy dwarf planets like Pluto, all traveling together through space. Here's a fun trick to remember the planet order from the Sun. My very excited mother just served us nachos. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Did you know Jupiter is so big that all the other planets could fit inside it? Or that a day on Venus is longer than its whole year? Space is full of surprises. And guess what? Our Sun is just one star out of billions and billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. And there are billions of galaxies out there too. Space really does go on and on. Now it's your turn, space explorers. Quiz time. Question 1. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Pause the video and shout out your answer. That's right, it's Mars. Question 2. Which planet has the most beautiful rings around it? Think fast. Yes. It's Saturn, with its gorgeous icy rings. Great job, space explorer, you're becoming a real astronomy expert. What an incredible trip through our solar system. From the fiery sun, to icy Pluto, and all the wonders in between, space is full of amazing things just waiting to be explored. If you loved this space adventure, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Galaxy of Fun, and tell us in the comments which planet you want to visit first. Keep looking up, and keep exploring. Bye for now, space explorers.